Hi, my name is Sandra. I'm the sub-chief of the Cowasuk tribe, and they want me to make Indian fry bread. Indian fry bread is something that is a basic staple of the Indians. It started many years ago with corn flour that they made themselves, and they made it with just corn flour and water. Through the years, we have gradually added other ingredients until we get what we have today. And I am going to show you the recipe, and then I am going to go ahead and make it. The first thing I did was wash my hands and scrub the counter. And because I am making this for my family and not for other people, I am not going to wear gloves. When I work at the school and show the kids how to make Indian fry bread, I always wear gloves. But because, like I said, this is my family, I'm not. So, the recipe is 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup dried milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. Now, you may need more or a little less. And you mix all your ingredients, and you knead lightly. Do not knead a lot, because if you do, it becomes extremely tough and it doesn't taste right. Then you pat out the dough in a circle, cut a small slip in the center of each, fry in hot oil until brown, and then you can put cinnamon, sugar, butter, or powdered sugar on it. So we will start by mixing the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of dried milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You mix these all together. Then you gradually add your water. Now, this is going to be really good. Indian fry bread tastes delicious. Now, I'm just going to let this sit for just 1 second and put some flour on my counter. See, the consistency is a little bit moist. And it makes it easier to roll out and play with. And because we're not supposed to knead it a lot, I'm not going to. I'm going to make 1 large. Well, I guess I'll be making several. When I'm at the school, I tell the kids a little history of our tribe, and I also tell them a few things about our history, and I also show them some basic Indian dance steps. And being kids, they love it. And I even showed them how to do a war hoop. Now I have the grease at 350 degrees, and the bread will cook until it's brown on both sides. Let me wash my hands. These tongs are horrible. Not used to them. I can't use those. Ooh, that looks good. That's a beautiful brown. Now, when ours is done, I'm going to roll it in powdered sugar. You can use the other ingredients. I just like powdered sugar. Ooh, that's a lovely brown. And we will do this for each one. Is Jim here? Mm-hmm. Have him come out.
Hey, Jim, we need you to taste it. It's very hot, so be careful.
My son-in-law is here, and I'm going to have him taste it. Here's a small piece in case you don't like it.
Wow. Very good. That's really good.
Thank you.
Hot. Good.
And that's all there is to make an Indian fry bread. Thank you for watching.
Get the recipe again.